Guys, let's talk about how to make money from online. Nowadays, everything, the pandemic situation is happening everywhere in the world. So, for that reason, everyone right now sitting on the home and work from home situation is going on day by day until unless the pandemic situation will be overcome. So, today's topic, everything is about how to money, how to make money from online, from authentic online source. And guys, I will give you some website, some link, some organization, the authentic organization. If you can wish, then you will earn money, lot of money. So guys, stay with us, do subscribe it. Hi everyone, welcome to Souvik Datta exclusive. Let's get started. So guys, today I am talking to very important topic regarding how to make money from online. Nowadays, everywhere the pandemic situation is going on, and no one can know uh, when the situation will be demolished totally. No one can know. So that's why everyone try to do something so that they can earn from online. And I will give you some authentic source of income from online. So now I will directly instruct on screen. So stay with us and follow everything whatever I direct to you. So guys, first of all you will have to go Google Chrome web browser, and after that you will have to go Google search bar, and then you have to write Chegg expert. Okay, and then you have to click on this tab, and after that you can see at the first tab is this, and you will have to click on this, and then you can see the web page of this website. So before we discuss briefly on this website, I will have to tell about this. So basically, what is the Chegg expert? On this website, on this platform, you will have to give answer, and if your answer will be correct, on the basis of that, Chegg website will pay to you. And according to question, you will have to answer of the particular question, and if the answer be correct, then Chegg will pay to you, and whatever you will get the money is very good amount, and it's very authentic source. There are lots of students as well as teacher join of this website so that they can earn lots of money. And guys, you can earn 1 lakh in a month. Only you will have to give answer of some questions, then you will get. So I would suggest you guys, if you really wanna earn lots of money, then you will have to join this website. So now I will discuss briefly how does it work. So first of all guys, whenever you will see this web page, at first you have to sign up, and that's why you will have to put your email ID. After that you submit. Then the registration form would be opened, which you will have to fill up your authenticity. So basically it's quite natural question on behalf of you: why become a Chegg subject expert? First of all, this is very hassle free, and the time is not fixed on this website. Whenever you have time, you will do that, you will do and get lots of money. As per your convenience, you will do that. And this website is very, very authentic, and you will get money from this website for every question answered. And can you know guys, top experts on 1 lakh per month. And if you wanna enhance your subject knowledge, then I would suggest you will have to join this website. And there are several processes on this website. Before you would be an expert on subject, some process you will have to go through. So first of all, sign up. As I said before, you will have to put your email ID, and then you will have to submit, and then one registration form you can see, and all of the details of you will have to put the registration form, and then you will have to submit. And while you fill up the registration form, at that point of time also you will have to choose the subject. Basically on this subject, on the basis of subject, you will have to take answer, you will have to give answer on this subject questions. So the next process would be online screening. Whichever subject you will choose on the registration form, according to that you will have to take online screening test, and around 10 questions will be provided by Chegg website, and you will have to give accurate answer of these questions. And if you do correctly, then you will go the another process. So the passing marks will 60% out of 100%. Around out of 10 you will have to get 6 anyhow, so that you will be able to go another step. So if you do that properly, then you will go another process, that is verification. Basically, whatever documents you have, Chegg will verify your credentials including your documents. After the process finished, then the last process would be you are an expert, and then you will be able to give answer the question of your subject. And if your answer do correct, then Chegg will pay out of lump sum money to you. So this is whole of the process I discussed to you briefly. I hope you understood everything. So another things I would say, before you will go the screening test, I would suggest you guys, you will have to check the sample question, whatever you choose the subject. And you can see there are available subjects are business, engineering, science, mathematics, healthcare, arts, science. Okay, so all of the subjects given by Chegg, whatever you wish, you can choose the subject, and on the basis of that you will have to take on screening test. Okay, and that's all, guys. And another thing I would say, according to the subject, the question will be given by Chegg, and according to that, Chegg will pay out to you. And on the basis of subject, the questions cost basically would be changed. Okay, would be vary, you can say. And such as in computer science, per questions answer cost would be around 97. Suppose you would give 40 questions correctly, then you will get around approximate 3,800 approx. So, and if you invest your time around 2 to 4 daily basis, then you will get lots of money from this website. Okay, so this is all about I discussed briefly. I hope whatever you will gather right now, it is enough. If any questions about this site, don't worry, leave a comment below. I will reply every comment to you. Hope you enjoyed this session. With this, guys, I will have to wrap up. If you really like this session, do subscribe, do like, do share as much as you can.